TriPacer, run the runway 18 right, clear for takeoff.
Instruments in the green, airspeed's live.
Looking good.
40.
All departure flight 180, right below 1,300.
50.
Clearly classed out there, airspace, things coming down, Oshkosh.
60. That's a nice smooth transition. There's that pretty
I know.
General counter runway 18 right, clear for takeoff.
a lot of planes left, a lot.
Wow. Those guys work their ass off parking planes.
Right?
Look at
Yankee runway 18 right, lap and wait. 51 Yankee, you on frequency? 51 Yankee, you're on runway 18 right, clear for takeoff. He's making the switch. Roger. 51 Yankee, once you're up runway right, 18 right, clear for takeoff. And my twin beach craft, runway 18 right, lap and wait. Right, lap and wait, twin beach craft.
And it is AZ.
And
a little bit to go yet.
Right, lap and wait.
I got another plane right here.
Okay.
He's high.
We're supposed to be at where? 1300? We're spot on, Leon.
3-4 runway 18 right, clear for takeoff.
Okay, we just cleared the 5 mile.
Give another half.
Sure.
Runway right, left side, lap and wait.
Clear right?
Clear right.
And 8-9 golf, runway 18 right, lap and wait, right side. Brown high wing, clear for takeoff. 8-9 golf, runway 18 right, clear for takeoff. 75 Romeo, you can pull up a pink shirt, hold short. Right here and there.
We are going to hit some rain here in a little bit.
All the way up to the first pink shirt and then hold short, we'll get you an eye for release. I'm VFR. Oh, you are VFR, okay, thank you. 75 Romeo, runway 18 right, clear for takeoff.
What's our direct to? We going direct to
9 Kilo Tango.
Delta airspace, things are coming out, Oshkosh. Beautiful airplanes.
Central aircraft Evoke altimeter 2998. We're 75780, squawk 1331. 1331, 780.
Keep an eye out here.
Yeah.
We got a guy about 500 feet below us coming towards us.
Okay. Got our strobes on.
Yep.
Okay.
Lights are on too.
Number 2641 Alpha, traffic 1 o'clock, 4.5 miles, appears southbound, altitude indicates 1,900, possibly going to Adams County.
Look for traffic, 401 Alpha. Got him?
No, that's the airport he's talking about.
Alpha has that traffic, sorry.
4 Alpha, roger.
Right there on final.
Okay.
He's coming over the far end of the field. See him?
This end, the other end.
Other end.
Oh. Yep.
Minneapolis Center, TriPacer 2641 Alpha, 2,500, climbing 4,500.
November 2641 Alpha, Minneapolis Center at the La Crosse altimeter 29903.
993, 401 Alpha.
That guy's got some excavation going on down there. What the hell he's finding?
Gold.
Gold!
Right after we were talking about gold in them there hills, I knocked the audio cable out and ended up having no audio for the remainder of the day. I'll give some narration first stop after leaving Oshkosh was Mankato, Minnesota, where the humidity and the heat was absolutely insane. Here you're catching our Mankato departure. After our run-up, we head on to Mitchell, South Dakota, and that'll be our last stop for the day. But there is a special thank you at the end of this video to some help that we got once we landed. This is absolutely a beautiful view over the river and the sun setting, getting into Mitchell, South Dakota. Hey everybody, just want to say a quick thanks for following along. A couple updates. First off, this particular video is late coming out. I think it's been 6 months since Oshkosh. I've had a lot of stuff going on personally, and the footage has been an absolute train wreck. Very disorganized, but we're figuring that out. Special thanks to Jeff and Joe Krall. They were at Mitchell, South Dakota when I landed. Actually, Joe was. Jeff was at Oshkosh, and he was waiting on the storm to pass and trying to protect his helicopter. But the self-service fuel there was not truly self-service. We weren't able to get any fuel. And so we ended up having to get some from Jeff out of his fuel rig. In addition to that, Joe took us in town, got us a hotel room, stopped by Jeff's place, and let me borrow a vehicle for the next morning. And that kind of support in the aviation community is huge. It's great to see that kind of support. I've been able to return the favors at times. I know other aviators that have done the same thing. It's a very tight-knit community. And so much appreciated. Thanks to you guys for letting us borrow the equipment. Thanks for giving me some fuel and allowing us to continue on our journey home. And the last thing I'd like to say is if you get a chance, please subscribe. I'm a little fledgling. Oh, I don't want to use that word. That's a Dan Greider word. I'm a very small-time YouTuber, still trying to figure things out, but every little bit helps. I've got a lot of people that watch the videos, but yet they don't subscribe. And I know my content isn't like the rest of the YouTube superstars, it's probably not as nearly as exciting, but for me, it's a opportunity to share my adventures in anything air-cooled, whether it's the Volkswagens, it's the airplanes, maybe on a motorcycle or whatever. Appreciate everybody's comments, feedback. Hope you guys are enjoying these. Hopefully they've gotten better from the days of me holding an iPhone and trying to edit to now doing it a little more systematically. I do appreciate everybody's support. Until then, happy holidays. Hope you guys enjoy it. We've got 2 videos on the return flight, and then I've got some new content that's away from Oshkosh. Hopefully it's a little more organized. Until then, have a good holiday season. Peace.